Welcome to WebStylePress. In this video, we are going to create custom checkboxes based on CSS only. You can create any type of checkbox design based on CSS only. No JavaScript involved. We will create something like this. Generic checkboxes are hidden for these. This is input, and if I uncheck display none, you see these checkboxes, but those are hidden, and we have our custom design for these checkboxes. Let's create it. This is our HTML. A CSS file is linked with it, custom.css. Here is HTML for our checkbox. Notice we have label. Inside label, we have input, and next to it, we have got span. Span contains the checkbox text. We can place text in front of input, but keeping it in span tag will allow us to style it separately via CSS. Each checkbox will have separate name to identify its value. Let's use two more checkboxes. And here is our CSS. We have input checkboxes displayed in page, but we will hide actual checkboxes or generic checkboxes, and we will style span tag for our custom checkbox design. A clicked or checked checkbox has attribute of checked. If I use checked here as an attribute, it will be checked by default. In CSS, you can get the checked state of a checkbox like this: input colon checked. This is selector for checked input in case of radio or checkbox. So label, and inside we have got input that is checked. Then we will use tilde, and we have got span next to input. To select span next to checked input, we are using tilde. Tilde allows us to select next adjacent element. We are styling our checked checkbox or clicked checkbox. This span has got position relative, and its pseudo before element has got position absolute. And for its content, we will inject an HTML entity and for its content we will use an HTML entity. Here is the value for CSS. Save, refresh, and here we've got it. If a checkbox is checked, we are just styling its span tag that is placed next to it. Now we will hide generic checkboxes. Refresh, and here we have got it. If you want a checkbox checked initially, use checked attribute for that checkbox input in HTML. So this selector is doing all the magic here basically. Alright, give this video a like, subscribe to channel and press bell icon. Stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.